Hey everybody, it's Stacy. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a quick reveal of our October mystery kit. So let's just dive right onto it. So this mystery kit has changed up a little bit. We are now offering it as a subscription that is like recurring. So you can purchase it as a one-time subscription, or you can purchase the recurring and then it will just auto renew each month so you don't have to keep picking it up. So all the details are on our website, which I'll link down below for you guys, but let's jump into the reveal. So this kit is called My Time. I think these colors are just so good. I hope my lighting is good. My setup in my office is completely different, so I will check the coloring on it, but I love this. I just think it's so fun, like her playing Tetris, and then you got like what is this called again? Oh my goodness, Jenga, there we go. And like Chinese food, and you got coloring books and ice cream and slippers. I just think it's so fun. So here are the full boxes. You get your quarter boxes and half boxes sheet, your bottom washi, like look at this. I think it's so pretty. Your date covers, your functional page, your headers and little things, and then your squared sheet. So that is our ultimate kit. If you purchased the tiny kit, then you will just get our standard 4-paged kit. So you would get the full boxes, the half box and quarter box sheet, the bottom washi, and the functional page. So that's the tiny kit, and then these 2 extra pages are the ultimate kit. That is the only difference in between the 2 different sizes, is just the kit size. Both sizes do get the extra fashion girls. So if you want to replace this girl at the top here, you have 3 different more hair color and skin tone options, and then this hand here as well. You also get the 15mm bottom washi strip, and then this one has an extra quarter box on there, and then you get the glitter headers as well. And then we do get a foil bundle. So each kit gets a foil bundle. So you got this bundle here, it's in silver foil. I hope you can see it. But you have like the cloud, you have some like swirlies, some stars, and just some simple boxes. I tried to keep it pretty simple, just because this kit, like, it's pretty simple, and I just think that it complements it very well. The bottom washi is stunning. You got 2 different sets. You got a star one, and then you got a cloud one, and then the header covers are stars and clouds as well. And then you get your functional page at the back. So all 3 pages come with both sized kits, and yeah, that is the mystery kit. There will also be a freebie add-on that will be included in here. It's just some extra icons and stuff like that that will match this kit. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.